Welcome back to the channel, and as promised, we are back with another vlog. Today I have something special for you guys. But if you are new here, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you are a returning subscriber, hey, and welcome to the Urban Gang. Well, if you are a returning subscriber, hey, and thank you for always returning and watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, whether you're new or a returning subscriber. So anyway, as promised, it is going to be a lit summer. Okay, tonight, myself and the girls, we are going to a hosted event by Glamazante. If you don't know who Glamazante is, she is a YouTuber and an influencer. I'm gonna leave her handle here, her Instagram, and also down below. And she's having a TWERK fest in the city. She lives, I believe she lives in LA right now, so she's going to be in New York City twerking. And that's where I need to be at. I need to be twerking right next to her. I'm so excited. I am in the process of getting ready right now. I just got out the shower, did my skincare routine, about to do my makeup as you can see. And I'm going to take you guys along with us for tonight. I'm going to show you my outfit. Then we're going to do our face and go ahead and get dressed. The outfit that we're wearing literally is going to take me 3 seconds to get on. The longest process is my makeup. That's how I'm about to do that now. I'm trying to be out the house by 8:30 so I can make it up to my cousin's house so we can all get together and pregame, because the plan is to dip out her house by 10. So hopefully I can get everything done on time. Literally, I don't have anything to do but get dressed and head straight over to her house. So I can't wait to take you guys along with us tonight, because it is going to be a good time. And if you haven't already watched my Miami vlog or my Freaknik vlog, please make sure you go do so. It's going to be linked up in the cards above, and of course it's going to be also down in the comments below. And go ahead and take a look around my page and see if there's anything else you might want to watch, okay? Because there's so many layers here, girl. And let me go ahead and get ready for the night. I'm going to show you guys my outfit, and then we're going to proceed to get ready. Look at the skin. Don't fuck with me. Outfit. Here's the shoes off of Amazon. Here's the outfit. I believe this came from AliExpress last year. The glasses. Amazon. It's in the details. It's in the details. Y'all gonna see what's going on. You know what time it is. That's the big girl. She ain't fucking around.
Oh, they get activated. They get activated. I told y'all that was that shit. Jeez. This my homie. Yo, if she fuck this shit up on y'all, and she can't even hear as much as us. NYC decide who won those rounds. You gonna decide on the winner. Let's get it. Right here. Hey y'all, 6 feet, y'all. Come on, back up. Come on. Jump the legs up. Jump the legs up. Back it up, and stop. Back it up and stop. Yeah. Okay, here we go. Come on, back up, y'all. This shit crazy. When COVID was here, niggas was in the corners. Like, well, we can't even get 6 feet, but that's all right. Oh, shit. I need a piece on. Shit. Alright, hold on. This is gonna be the next round. If y'all fucking 2, 1, let's go.
So I know originally it started off as like, you know, a Glamazante Twerk Fest vlog. Right. But I decided to continue it into the weekend because we finna get on a yacht. It's only right. Another day in the city. Ain't missing out. You know, last night was cute. I hope you guys liked it. I did get some great footage. The girls were dressed to impress as always. As always. But it was a pride event because Glamazante is gay and we are not. So tonight we are here.
I like dang-a-lang. Dang-a-lang. I like the dang-that-lang. Not that shit that's up top.
Yeah. So today we are here to redeem ourselves.
Yes, we are. We outside.
I hope you guys are enjoying this vlog. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and follow us on the gram. Yes. You can follow me at Urban Goddess _
Key _ Lolo. That's LOLO.
And don't forget,
like the key that you use on a daily basis.
And not the key to her motherfucking heart, because that's me.
That's her.
But you find it too long.
Lay your head down tonight. Lay your head down. Lay your head down tonight. Lay your head down. Lay your head down. So I can work it. Ladies. Work it all day. Are you serious?
Shout to my single independent ladies. You know the songs. I'm in there too. I promise.
My back. Can you break my back? My back. Boy, can you break my back? My back. Boy, can you break my back? Break my back. 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 Can you break my back? Break my back. Break my
Break my back. Accelerate. My back. Accelerate.
my back.
Accelerate. My back.
Accelerate. Break my back.
Accelerate.
Break my back.
Accelerate.
Break my back.
Accelerate.
Break my back.
Accelerate.
Break my back.
Accelerate.
Break my back.
Accelerate.
Break my back.
Accelerate.
Break my back.
Accelerate.
Break my back.
Accelerate.
Break my back.
Accelerate.
Break my back.
Accelerate.
Break my back.
You keep trying, but you find it too long.
My back. My back. Can you break my back? My back. Boy, can you break my back? My back. Boy, can you break my back? Break my back. Break my back. Break my back. Break my back. Break my can you break my back? Break my
Break my back.
back.
Accelerate. my back,
my back,
my back,
break my back, break my back, break my back, break my back, break my back, break my back, break my back, break my back, break my back, break my back, break my back, break my back.
you keep trying, but you fighting too long.
My back, my back, can you break my back? My back, boy, can you break my back? My back, boy, can you break my back, break my back, break my back, break my back, can you break my back?